40-volt chainsaw, and this is from our friends over at Hyperecho that sent us the cordless drill. Go ahead and check that video out. This is their garden brand, and this is a 14-inch 3/8 chain chainsaw, and it takes, I already had to open it up because I wanted to get these batteries charged and ready to go, but it takes two 4 amp hour batteries, and you could check these. They're fully charged now, so we're ready to rock. And this is a rapid charger. It doesn't take long to charge these batteries, which is great, and it takes both of them to make it the 40 volt. And let's go ahead and unbox this. So this is what the rapid charger came in, and then the 2 batteries. And what else we got in here? There's our 3/8 chain. Once again, 14-inch. And we have our bar here. And a nice protective case. That way you can transport it without slicing yourself up or getting oil from the chain on stuff. And this is a low kickback blade. And once again, 40 volt max, brushless. So that's what you want. You want a nice brushless. All right, let's get the main body out here. Seems pretty lightweight. All right, there we go. And you can see where you put both your batteries on here. What else we got in here? And we have our instruction manual. And this is a 2-speed chainsaw. Low speed is roughly around 40 feet per second, and then high speed is 52.5. You got your little dig bars here for when you're getting into the wood. And also with the chain, there's 52 links for this chain, and this is a clean energy because it is electric. You're not using gas. Let's go ahead and get our blade on here. And this is pretty simple. So you can see your lock and unlock. So we want to unlock this. There we go. This is a tool-free chain tensioning system, which is nice because then you don't have to carry around extra tools with you. So this just sits right on there like that. And we can go ahead and put our chain on. And also on here, you can see which way the chain goes. It shows you. So that's how you'd want to match that up there. You can see that's the direction. So all you're going to do is put the chain on back through here. And you're going to get it on the chain here. Alright, so just line the bar up with your chain here. Get it so it's all in there. You could turn this. There we go, now it's all in there. You can see that tightens it right up, but you're going to tighten it once you get it on here. This is just to hold it on to show you guys. So now we can take our piece, put it back on here. There we go. All right, that thing looks pretty sick on there. That's cool. So we got 2 fully charged batteries here. You're gonna put one on one side, make sure it snaps in, one on the other side, and there we go. now we just need to fill this, and then we're going to go ahead and grease the tip here. So let's get our bar oil in there. Pour our bar oil in there. And we'll tighten up the cap. And the nice thing about this, you can see right there where your bar oil is. So all you gotta do is flip it over, look at it, and you can tell if you need to put some in or not. And over discharge protection, so that way you don't burn out your machine or the batteries. So let's go ahead and grease up here. And there's a little hole, and you need one of these guys here, and all you do is pump the grease in there. You press down, and there you go. You just give it enough until you can start to see the grease come out there. Oh, and the back. So that's all definitely all greased up. So let me show you how the chain tensioner works once this is on. I went ahead and loosened it up. All you're going to do is just loosen this, and then you want to tighten it. You're going to turn the red portion on the outside here, and that's what's going to tighten it up for you. So you can see how it's loose? I'm going to turn that, tightens it up. And then in order to lock it, you're just going to turn this. There, now it's locked in. And that's how you adjust your chain as you're sawing. So if you need to adjust it, you loosen this, and then you turn the red one. And then that'll loosen and or tighten your chain, whichever you need to do. And then the chain brake here, that's unlock, and then lock. Simple as that. So we got fully charged batteries, blades greased up, we got oil, chain tensioners tightened. In order to start this, when you press that button, there's one speed, you press it again, and there's a lower speed. So that's your two speeds, and all you're going to do is depress these buttons. And now say you leave it for about 60 seconds, you come back, it's going to be back to the original manufacturer specs. If you set it down and use it, and within less than 60 seconds, it'll stay at whatever you're using at. So basically, within 60 seconds, whatever you were using it at, it'll go back to that when you start again. After 60 seconds, it'll go back to the manufacturer specs. But simple as that, high speed and low speed. So here's high speed. That thing rips. And there's low speed. So we are all set to rock here. Let's go ahead and put this to the test. Head out there and see what this thing can do. So we got a bunch of trees here. We need to go ahead and get these cut up and get them out to the cabin because we need firewood for this summer. So let's go ahead and use our old excavator here. We'll pick them up, get them up, and we'll start sawing them and see how that chainsaw does. Press your button in. Ready to rock. It's cutting through that like butter. Well, it is pine, so pine's a lot softer. But man, nice clean cut right through. Once again, press your button. Safety. That quick. Nice sharp chain too. So look at that. All right, let's start getting other ones over here. This thing's cutting through it like butter. Doing a really good job. All right, it is zipping right through them. Got one more over there we're gonna get. All right, so we just did a quick recharge and now we can finish this and be done, and we'll meet you back at the table. This little guy's gonna start throwing the firewood in the back of the four-wheeler there in the trailer, and we're gonna get it out to the camp, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get at it. So we are done. We got all this chopped up. And my little guy is stacking away down there. He's doing a good job.
Yep.
Awesome. So, all right. I don't know about for bigger jobs, but doing little stuff like this around and pine and all that stuff, this thing works pretty good. Battery wise, it's going to be good for doing smaller jobs around your place. Worked really well. Good for cleanup. It'll be a good cleanup saw, definitely. Works pretty decent. And it does have that rapid charge, so you don't have to wait too long to get back to work. But yeah, came out good. All right, so we're all set here. We're gonna go ahead and start getting the rest of the firewood out there to the cabin, and I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one. And once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.